Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going the African way. Guys, today we're going to be making Nigerian jollof rice. If you've never heard of Nigerian jollof rice before, come on, stay put, because today I'm going to be showing you how to make every step of making the Nigerian jollof rice. Right now I want to introduce the ingredient we are going to be using for this recipe. As you can see them over there, so let me show you one after the other and give you the instructions you need to take notes of, okay, if you want to get the perfect jollof, the perfect Nigerian jollof. Okay, let's go. So guys, these are the ingredients we are going to be using, for this recipe. Here is our rice. You can use any rice of your choice, okay? You can use the basmati and any other mati rice. So here I have my meat stock. You can use ordinary water if you do not have meat stock. I have my beef. You can use chicken, you can use lamb, anything, okay? I have green peppers, onions. I have my spices. I have the coriander seed here, rosemary spice. I have fennel, I have cumin, vegetable oil. I'm not going to show their brand until they give me money for adverts. I have the tomato paste. I will not also call the brand. Yeah, if you want me to advertise, come and give me money. Yeah, I have another batch of onions and the green peppers, because we're going to be, did I say green beans there? These are green peppers, green bell peppers. We're going to be putting them at different stages, okay? Then this is, I will not show, it's just a cooking margarine. Yeah, very important. I want to talk about this. This is blended pepper and tomatoes, okay? Fresh peppers and tomatoes. Before blending it, please, if you want to get the perfect jollof rice, unless you're making another type of jollof, okay? But if you're making the Nigerian jollof, please, before you blend your peppers, make sure you put them in the oven. Roast it in the oven before you blend it. So this is what we are going to be using. She is looking like it's small, it's because I had to grill it so the thing became small. But yeah, this is a lot, believe me. So guys, let's go and make the yummy Nigerian jollof rice. Guys, I want to appreciate all of you that joined the live and supported me. If you want to see, if you want to get the full recipe, you can just check the link in the comment section, or the video I just uploaded recently, which will be somewhere up there, anywhere, but check the link in the comment section. Definitely I'm going to pin it. There you're going to access the full recipe of the Nigerian jollof rice. Guys, this recipe is mind-blowing. It's so nice and yummy. So this is the general Nigerian jollof rice. All of you, Jerusha, I hope you get to watch this, because you kept asking jollof rice. Today I made jollof rice, okay? So we made it on a live video and I just got to capture some parts. You guys can do what? Go watch the full recipe, ask questions if you have, whatever concerns you have, ask me in the comment section, because I'll be more than excited. I'll be more than glad to reply you guys. It's a wrap. Vlogmas Day 8 is a go, guys. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you. Do well to subscribe